Good morning. So today we are going to go over our sight words. As always, I'm going to say the word and you are going to repeat it. So our first word is do. Now it's your turn to say it. Do. Our next word, so. So. Our last word is who. Who. Good job. Now what I want you to do, I want you to turn to your mother, your father, your sister, a favorite stuffed animal, and read these words to them. I also provided some cute videos for you, and you will watch those every day. We will go over the sight words every day, and there will be different worksheets that will go with each sight word.